Hello traders and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at the position trader expert advisor for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. This is a multi-strategy system that combines RSI mean reversion, ADR reversals, and moving average filters. I ran a full back test on AUDCAD, so let's see how this low frequency position trader actually performs on the market. So ensure you watch this video to the end to get the full picture and the full breakdown. Now, before we dive into today's EA, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. You can get it for free by using the link in the description below. So ensure you check it out. It's totally worth it. Now let's look at the position trader expert advisor. It was developed by Lee Sampson from the UK, United Kingdom, and this Lee Sampson is very popular on the MQ5 community with 4.2 stars rating out of 5 from 289 overall rating like raters, and he has been trading, so he claims, since 1998 and has about 40 products. But this particular EA, the position trader, goes for just 99 US dollars, approximately $100. And it was last updated on the 18th of March. It has about 3 reviews, and all of them are 5 stars and 10 comments. Most from the developer himself. Most of the comments are from the developer explaining how the expert advisor does work. Now, let's look at the strategy or the mechanism behind the position trader. According to the MQ5 page, position trader EA is designed as a smart position trading system that uses multiple strategies working together, and it includes RSI mean reversion, ADR based reversal logic, and moving average entry signals. The EA focuses on quality over quantity with built-in risk management rules like the maximum open orders, maximum open trades, the drawdown control. It aims to take high probability setups on pairs like the AUD NZD, Euro GBP, Euro NZD, GBP USD, and so on. And JP says that JPY pairs are not really for this expert advisor because they can trend hard at times, making position trading difficult. But if you want to risk it, you could still trade with the JPY pairs, but he doesn't recommend it. And the developer emphasizes disciplined trading with timed exits and session control rather than aggressive scalping. This is how it looks on the chart. It takes positions. Basically, position traders are, they hold positions for days and long periods of time using the ADR and the moving average filters and also the RSI. Now, these are some of its threads. Now, let's talk about the key features that the market. The key features marketed by the developer include the combination of RSI mean reversion and ADR reversal strategies. Also, the moving average filters. You can see all of them here. We also have strict drawdown control with max open trades limit, ADR based stop and target calculations, and timed exit options. It also has settings for trading hours and the ability to run in button trading mode if desired. The focus is on controlled position trading with multiple layers of risk protection. As we can see, these are the settings, these are the default settings from the developer himself. And the MetaTrader 4 version is right here, but it's basically the same thing, $99. But I'm using the MetaTrader 5 to explain it, which is why I ran a backtest session on the MT5 on AUDCAD on the 5-minute time frame as recommended, and this EA works mainly on the 5-minute time frame and the 15-minute time frame. And I ran it up from on every tick based on real ticks from June 2025 to June 2026. And let's look at the results. It showed a net profit of $392 with very strong profit factor of 5.08. Very impressive. The win rate was 84.78% across 46 trades throughout the whole year. So it's quite selective, which is normal, it's common for position trading. Position traders do not take too many positions. They just take select positions and hold them for days, for a long period. And it's evident here in the backtest. It also has max equity drawdown, which stayed extremely low at just 2.72% on the equity, and for balance, just 0.47. Very, very impressive numbers. And the equity curve was a steady upward grind with only small recoverable dips here and some here. Also have some here, all of these dips, but at the end of the day, it was recovered. And the inputs that matter, that the RSI period and triggers, the ADR settings, drawdown control rules, which is drawdown control rules were like max 6 threads, close at target. Yeah, and we also have the MA filter, which really shaped the selective behavior here, determining the trend. And compared to many EAs that overtrade, this one was very patient and very smart in its selection. And you can see the results, impressive results, and good win rate, good profit factor. Everything is on point, but it was quite conservative. The total net profit of just 391 trades over the span of 1 year. So the thing is, low frequency systems like this one avoid a lot of noise but require patience. In practice, this means you might go long periods without trades, but when it does enter a trade, the risk control keeps things clean. There is no greed, there is no martingale, and that is a big plus. My verdict for this EA is that it is a disciplined, low frequency, multi strategy position trader that delivered excellent controlled results in this test. The profits and drawdowns can differ depending on market conditions and the position size, which is the lot or the risk that the trader is using, any given trader at the time. And it's great for patient prop traders who value risk management and don't need constant action. Yeah, very great for prop traders considering the fact that it has low drawdown both on equity and on balance. But avoid it if you want high trade volume or if you get impatient during quiet periods. And that's our review of the Position Trader Expert Advisor for MetaTrader 5. Impressive numbers, impressive strategy, and impressive overall. Like this video if you want real tests like this. Like it if this test help you out, and subscribe and turn on notifications for more honest expert advisor reviews like this one. Drop a comment below which EA you want me to test next, and don't forget to grab the free Forex robot from the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.